Welcome everyone. I'm Behnom Jafari and I am excited to have you here. In this channel, we will be learning a C programming language for microcontrollers. My goal is to take you a step by step, bridging the gap between the theory you've learned and the practical application you'll need to master. So let's get started, dive into the board of microcontrollers and C programming. Let's go. To master microcontrollers, there are three essential things you need to focus on. Number one, learning C programming language on a computer system. You can see here, C is the foundation of the programming for microcontrollers. It's efficient, fast, and widely used in embedded system. You use C to write the code that control the microcontroller's behavior. It's important to understand variable, loops, function, and arrays in C, as they are the building block for writing effective program. Number two, learning embedded C. Embedded C is an extension of the C tailored for low-level programming and microcontroller application. It focuses on writing code that directly interacts with the hardware. You learn how to configure microcontroller peripherals like timer, ADCs, and GPIOs, and handle interrupts and manage memory in an optimized way. And number three, learning microcontroller architecture. To write efficient code, you need to understand how the microcontroller works internally. These include understanding its processor, memory, peripherals, and instruction set. Knowing the architecture helps you write code that make the best use of the microcontroller resources, optimizing performance and ensuring the stability in your project. By mastering C, embedded C, and microcontroller architecture, you'll be equipped to develop powerful, efficient, and real-world application with microcontrollers. Let's break these down together in a future lesson. The learning path for any microcontroller starts with mastering the C programming language on a computer. Then you move on to learning the specific software for each microcontroller where the C language is adopted slightly for embedded system, often referred to as embedded C. This chart uh, shows the software required for learning microcontroller. These software tools are categorized into two main groups. The first category includes those required for learning C language on a computer system. The second category includes uh, those specifically designed for learning embedded C language for microcontroller. In the second category, a specific software is available for learning each type of microcontroller. For example, here we have included software required for learning microcontroller for a specific company commonly known as ESP-32. MSys2 is a software distribution and a building platform for Windows. It provides a command line interface and a software repository, making it easier to install, use, build, and port software on Windows. Eclipse IDE. Many people know Eclipse as an integrated development environment IDE for Java. However, Eclipse is far more than Java. Just Java IDE. Eclipse, we can use Eclipse as C or C++ IDE. MinGW MinGW 64 is an advancement of the original MinGW.org project created to support the GCC compiler on a Windows system. The three software is categorized in C or C++. But Python software. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language. Its high-level built-in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. The Git software app is a shell to access file on a GitHub. The JDK software, the Java Development Kit, or the JDK is a distribution of the Java technology by Oracle Corporation. It implements the Java language specification and the Java virtual machine specification and provide the standard edition of the Java application program interface. ESP-IDF plugin and ESP-IDF, both of them is a expressive official IoT development framework for the ESP32, 32S, 32C, and 32H series of SoCs. It provides a self-sufficient SDK for any generic application development on this platform using programming language such as C and C++. In this section, I prepare some useful link to download apps, and thank you for your watching, and see you next time.